Meet HP's most compact 3D printing devices, designed for convenient in-house automated prototyping and production. With the HP Jet Fusion 500-300 series 3D printers, accelerate your creation workflow by producing functional parts in full color or white, with voxel control in a fraction of the time. To begin the process, prepare your build for printing with HP's easy-to-use software. It lets you error-check your 3D models and automatically pack them in the build chamber before sending the job to print. Prior to printing, the printer will notify you if it needs additional material or agents to complete the build. Load material by inserting the cartridge into its designated location. Once inserted, the material is automatically dispensed, mixed, and delivered to the print area. Pre-print and in-printer checks give you predictable quality output. Thanks to HP's unique multi-agent and multi-pass printing process, material is spread evenly across the build platform. A print carriage containing an HP thermal inkjet array passes over the work area, printing fusing, detailing, and coloring agents on the material. During another pass of the carriage, the area is exposed to fusing energy, which bonds the part layers together. Unlike other 3D printing technologies, multi-jet fusion technology prints each layer of new material and agents on top of a previous layer that is still molten, so that both layers fuse completely and polymers can lock in with each other across the layer boundary. The build platform is then lowered layer by layer by precise mechanisms, achieving fine detail and high-dimensional accuracy for small features, with optimal mechanical properties and delivering strong, quality, detailed, and functional parts. At any point during the printing process, you can monitor job status in the HP SmartStream 3D Command Center. When printing is complete, ambient air cooling ensures part integrity. Automated vibration and airflow then extract unused material from within the build chamber, and unused material is reclaimed inside the printer for future builds. During this process, material is completely contained within the unit for a cleaner, more efficient operation. After cooling and material reclamation, your parts are ready for retrieval and post-processing in a bead and air blast cabinet. Any final finishes can be applied. Get the parts you want when you need them, easily, reliably, and predictably, with immediate access to support and comprehensive, affordable training. Stay ahead and produce brilliant full-color and white functional parts with HP Jet Fusion 500-300 series 3D printers. Color outside the lines of convention and bring your ideas to life.